just a sailboat. It is really a sophisticated machine. Each guy is super important in the performance of the boat. A single guy doesn't do the job well, the boat doesn't go. It's really noisy at that speed. And then you get the spray of the water, which is massive, it's huge, the spray you have on this boat. But sailing with this boat is one of the most exciting things you can do it in your life. It's fast. One day you can tell your son, I sail with that boat. I'm lucky.
Aber Felix, wenn du das Ding hier schneidest, ne? Ich bin mit drauf.